How to make someone who doesn't value you obsessed. Why you're not a priority to him. Have you ever found yourself wondering why you're not as much of a priority to him as you'd like to be? It's a frustrating feeling when you give so much to a relationship, only to feel like you're not getting the same level of attention or commitment in return. But before you jump to conclusions or let self-doubt creep in, it's important to understand some common reasons why this might be happening. Common relationship problems. Feeling overlooked. One of the most common issues in relationships is feeling overlooked or underappreciated. You might be doing everything you can to show your love and support, but it doesn't always feel like it's being reciprocated. This can lead to feelings of frustration, confusion, and even resentment. So, what's going on? There are several reasons why a man might not prioritize his partner the way she deserves. It could be a lack of communication, differences in how you both express love, or even his own personal struggles that are taking his attention away from the relationship. The concept. Tapping into his core desires. To truly understand why you might not be his top priority, it's helpful to consider a key concept related to men's emotional needs. Men are often driven by a deep desire to feel essential in their partner's life, to feel like a hero. This doesn't mean they need to be the center of your world, but they do need to feel like they play an important role in your happiness and well-being. When a man feels like he's fulfilling this role, it strengthens his emotional connection to you and makes him more likely to prioritize the relationship. However, if he doesn't feel needed or appreciated, he may unconsciously pull away, focusing his energy elsewhere. Practical tips to reignite his interest. If you're feeling like you're not a priority in his life, here are some practical tips to help shift the dynamic. 1. Communicate your needs clearly. It's easy to assume that your partner knows how you're feeling, but men aren't mind readers. Be clear and direct about what you need from the relationship. This isn't about making demands. It's about opening up a dialogue where both of you can express your feelings and work together to strengthen the bond. 2. Show appreciation. Men respond well to appreciation, especially when it comes to the little things they do. Make sure he knows that you value his efforts, whether it's something as simple as fixing something around the house or supporting you during a tough time. When he feels appreciated, he's more likely to prioritize you in return. 3. Create shared goals. One way to keep a relationship strong is by setting and working towards shared goals. This could be anything from planning a trip together to working on a project you're both passionate about. Shared goals create a sense of partnership and help keep the relationship exciting and forward-moving. 4. Give him space. Sometimes, the best way to get him to prioritize you is to give him a little space. Men often need time to process their emotions and thoughts, especially when they're feeling overwhelmed. Giving him the room to breathe can make him miss you and appreciate the role you play in his life. 5. Focus on your own happiness. It's important to remember that your happiness shouldn't solely depend on him. When you're happy and fulfilled on your own, it takes the pressure off the relationship and allows it to grow naturally. Plus, a confident and content woman is incredibly attractive, making him more likely to prioritize you. Want to learn more about how to become his priority? If you're curious about how to make him see you as a priority in his life, there's a resource that can help. Consider watching this video that explains how to tap into a man's core desires. It's designed to help you understand what drives men in relationships and how to create a deeper, more fulfilling connection. If you'd rather watch something first, check out this insightful video that offers practical advice on how to shift the dynamics of your relationship. It's full of tips that can help you become a more important part of his life. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and follow for more updates.